What's up YouTube, it's MartyBlendz and I'm back with another cinematic tutorial. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to fade a mid-drop crop. First up, you want to make sure you part evenly along the parietal ridge, making sure both sides are identical. You now want to make a baseline, contouring this to the head shape itself. Carefully remove everything underneath. With your preferred shaver, remove the excess stubble. Using the lever open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Close up the lever and hit this halfway through. Remember to gradually open up the lever once you move up on each guideline. Using the 1.5, softly flow the clipper a full inch above. Now with your number 2, remove some more bulk, but don't go up too far. Using the half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever now and go up about 1/4 inch. Next, with the number 1 fully open, go up about 1/4 inch. Note that sometimes, depending on head shape or hair type, you will need to come back and soften up some numbers. Finally, with your lever fully open, no guard, take out that last bottom line you're able to see. I recommend you to work with corners as much as possible. As you can see, my client has different hair than a lot of people. His hair tends to leave dark tracks even if I did all the steps correctly. This is why you should always come back in detail. Now clipper over comb if needed, but watch out and don't cut too deep in. Now as y'all can see here, I exposed the blade out a tad bit so I could have a clear view of what I'm cutting. So on the specific cut, I just edged up the sides because they aren't going to be that visible with the crop over it. Guys, I'm so close to dropping a full tutorial on how to cut and texturize, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below in the comment section. As y'all can see, I changed up the design last minute because it did look simple and I wanted something a little crazier. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure to like and subscribe if you're not. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.